Hey, my name is Ben. Thanks for stopping by. So I've got a couple spots here where we have a little bit of rust starting out on this Honda Fit of mine, and we want to get that stopped right away. There's a couple chips. This is from when my wife hit a deer, and we're not going to fully fix this car because it's not really worth that to us at the moment. So we're just going to put a little bit of black paint on it. Thankfully, this is a black car, but you can get a similar color. It might work all right. But the first thing you're going to do is just make sure that your surface is really clean. This is actually cleaner than it looks with that rust on there. It's very, very, very thin layer of rust. We could take a little bit of sandcloth and polish that up a little bit if we wanted to, but I think I'm going to leave it. It's going to be fine. And just make sure that there's no loose paint or anything on there. And now we're going to take a little piece of cardboard like we have right here, and you make a hole in it, and you put that over where you want to paint. And the reason you do that is you don't want to get like a gradual overspray going across the side of the car. You just want to target that one little spot. So you cut a little hole, and then we'll go ahead and paint it with a can of spray paint just right over the top of this cardboard. There's that right there. You can see our spot good. And now we'll take our can of spray paint. I spray it off to the side first and make sure that it's working good. Spray it just like that. And there, it kind of gave us a nice targeted repair. So I'm going to move that around a little bit. I might give that a minute or two and let it kind of dry a tiny bit, and then we'll recoat it a couple times, and we should be good. That's just going to prevent rust from accumulating. You know, even if it's a temporary thing, like if you're going to make a final repair, you're going to repaint it or whatever, you should get something on it right away to stop the rust so that it doesn't get worse. So thanks for watching, and we'll talk to you in the next video. See ya.